Alright, we're back. Couldn't find anything up there. Everything's in storage. What a shocker. Okay, I'm going to knock some guides out. Right driver, 3/8. Always put a little bit of lube on the guide. It doesn't gall up coming around the head. Makes it come out a little better without galling so much. Is this a really bad one or just a good one? That is a relative phrase. Bad one. Do it first. Oops. Alright, one guide. We gotta measure it so we know what size it is. Usually go 1 thou bigger than whatever it was starting. So this one is about 7.5 on the mic. Let's see what size this one here is. 19. That's not. Oh, that's 20. 23 on the mic. 22.5, 23. Okay, so this one's basically 20, which is a 4 over, it says. It must be pretty big. Even smaller. Okay, these are +2. We need something really big. 18 or 19 or 23, 24. So we're going through all our guides over here to find something we need. Looks like we're not going to be using our cheap guides. These are huge. Yeah. Like 10 over. Damn. 8 over. These are 8s. Yep. These. There's junk guides over here. Alright, camera goes back. See what the difference in these things are. +8. +8. Yep. Put a hole in that one. Get a winner. Gritty. Alright, we'll go with that one. Okay. Put a lube on it. In there. Nice and tight. All right. That was you. Now this one. Carbon on that, even though I blasted it. Same thing, huge. You know what? We got more. Pretty big guides in this motor. I think they're all about the same, pretty much. Yeah, we can go with you. How big were these things? Don't know. 4. All right. Usually the heads are not the same. This one, they're both huge. I think that one's a little looser. Okay, these are used. Into the trash they go. Okay. See, they're almost runnable. Okay. We're about 74, 74 and a half. $74, $74.3, $74.2, so about 12. So we're going to be about 13, so we could be 1.5 on this here. But we got to set this here for temperature, which we haven't done yet. Let's see, where did I hide all my standards at? Yeah, right here. Nope. Yep. So you got to set your standards for temperature. So it's a 1/10 less than it was. Come on, it has to rotate. Damn, that thing is tight. Things haven't been used in a long time. They're tight. Pretty much about where I started, I bet. Close enough. Okay, so this needs to be at 1.5 or better to be fitted. This is at 3.5. It should be fitted. 3.5, 4. Yeah, 2.7 down there, 3.5 there. So theoretically, they should be loose. Didn't feel that loose, but they got burrs on them. So, time to do a little work on our valves here to get them cleaned up. Okay. Put the paperwork away. We're supposed to be 1.5, and we're definitely way above that. Okay. 4. All right. Plus 8. Take these out of the computer, so keep track of our old numbers. Kicking all kinds of crap over here on the floor. Okay, put everything away. All right, over here. All right, work on our valves. Just gonna go over here and clean these up a little bit because they need it. All right, be right back.